What's the meaning of cumbersome? Cumbersome. Cumbersome.
Cumbersome. Cumbersome. The word cumbersome describes something that is difficult to manage or handle because of its size, weight, or complexity. It implies that the object or task is unwieldy and therefore requires a lot of effort to be dealt with effectively. Examples of cumbersome objects might include furniture that is too heavy to move easily or a tool that is too bulky to use efficiently. Cumbersome tasks might include complex bureaucratic processes that require extensive paperwork or convoluted decision-making procedures. Overall, cumbersome conveys a sense of being burdensome and challenging to deal with.